Welcome to our video on IWC watches, where precision meets timeless elegance. Known for their exceptional craftsmanship and rich heritage, IWC timepieces are a symbol of innovation and sophistication. From the rugged pilot's watches to the classic Portugiser and the sporty collaborations with Mercedes-AMG, each watch tells a story of engineering excellence and refined design. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the world of luxury watches, join us as we explore the iconic models that make IWC a true horological legend. Let's dive in. Number 10. IWC Portugiser Chronograph Ref IW 371000. The IWC Portugiser Chronograph Ref IW 371000 is a masterclass in timeless elegance and precision. With its 40-point Ninem stainless steel case, this watch exudes understated sophistication. The minimalist silver-plated dial features clean Arabic numerals and blued leaf-shaped hands, ensuring impeccable readability. A vertical bicompax layout houses a 30-minute chronograph counter at 12 o'clock and small seconds at 6 o'clock, adding both function and symmetry. At its heart is the IWC manufactured caliber 69355, an automatic column wheel chronograph movement offering 46 hours of power reserve. The sapphire case back reveals its intricate finishing, a testament to Swiss craftsmanship. Complemented by a sleek black alligator leather strap, the IW 371000 is the perfect blend of heritage and modern watchmaking. Whether paired with formal attire or casual wear, this Portugiser chronograph remains one of IWC's most iconic and versatile timepieces, delivering style, precision, and legacy in a single package. Number 9. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Edition SFTI Ref IW 389404. The IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Edition SFTI Ref IW 389404 is a masterpiece of precision engineering and rugged elegance, designed for those who demand excellence. Inspired by the Elite U.S. Navy Fighter Weapons School, this timepiece embodies the spirit of aviation with its bold design and cutting-edge functionality. Crafted from durable ceramic, the 44-point tomb case is both lightweight and scratch-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of high-performance environments. The matte black dial features luminescent hands and indices, offering exceptional legibility in any lighting condition. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69380 caliber, this chronograph boasts a 46-hour power reserve and a flyback function, making it as reliable as it is stylish. The green textile strap adds a tactical touch. Number 8. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Ref IW 388203. The IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Ref IW 388203 is a timeless tribute to aviation heritage, combining classic design with modern functionality. This 43mm stainless steel timepiece features a sleek black dial with luminescent hands and indices, ensuring optimal readability in any environment. The chronograph function, powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, offers precise timekeeping with a 46-hour power reserve, flyback capability, and a date display. The bicompax layout adds a sporty yet refined touch, while the sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating enhances durability and clarity. The brown calfskin strap provides a sophisticated contrast, making it versatile for both casual and formal occasion. With its iconic design inspired by cockpit instruments, the IW 388203 embodies the spirit of adventure and precision. Number 7. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Edition Woodland Ref IW 389106. The watch is a striking blend of rugged functionality and modern aesthetics, designed for adventurers and aviation enthusiasts. This timepiece features a 44.2 case crafted from ceratanium, a lightweight and ultra-durable material that combines the strength of titanium with the scratch resistance of ceramic. The mate green dial, inspired by military woodland camouflage, exudes a tactical vibe while maintaining exceptional legibility with luminescent hands and indices. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69380 caliber, the watch offers a 46-hour power reserve, a flyback chronograph function, and a date display, ensuring precision and reliability in any situation. The green textile strap complements the dial, enhancing its rugged appeal. With its Top Gun engraving on the case back, this watch pays tribute to the elite U.S. Number 6. IWC Engineer Automatic Ref IW 323311. The IWC Engineer Automatic Ref IW 323311 is a perfect blend of robust engineering and understated elegance, designed for those who appreciate precision and durability. This 40 stainless steel timepiece features a clean, minimalist dial with luminescent hands and indices, ensuring excellent readability in any condition. Powered by the IWC manufactured 32110 caliber, the watch offers an impressive 72-hour power reserve and a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, guaranteeing reliable performance. The soft iron inner case provides protection against magnetic fields, making it a practical choice for engineers and professionals. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating enhances durability and clarity, while the black leather strap adds a touch of sophistication. With its sleek design and technical prowess, the IW 323311 pays homage to IWC's legacy of creating watches for pioneers and innovators. Number 5. IWC Big Pilot's Watch Edition AMG G63 Ref IW 503604. The watch is a bold fusion of luxury watchmaking and automotive excellence, created in collaboration with Mercedes-AMG. This 46.2 timepiece features a striking black ceramic case, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic while ensuring durability. The black dial, adorned with green accents and luminescent hands, mirrors the iconic design of the AMG G63, exuding a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. Powered by the IWC manufactured 52110 caliber, the watch boasts a 7-day power reserve and a date display, combining precision with practicality. The green rubber strap adds a dynamic touch, enhancing its sporty appeal. Limited to 750 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates the synergy between high-performance engineering and timeless design. Number 4. IWC Portugueser Chronograph Ref IW 371605. The watch is a timeless masterpiece that seamlessly blends classic elegance with modern functionality. This 41 stainless steel timepiece features a stunning blue dial with contrasting silver sub-dials, creating a sophisticated and balanced aesthetic. The chronograph function, powered by the IWC manufactured 69355 caliber, offers precise timekeeping with a 46-hour power reserve, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and clarity. The blue alligator leather strap adds a touch of luxury, making it perfect for both formal and casual occasion. Known for its clean lines and iconic design, the Portugueser chronograph pays homage to IWC's rich heritage of precision watchmaking. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time buyer. Number 3. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Edition Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 Team Ref IW 389106. The watch is a dynamic tribute to speed, precision, and performance. This 44.2 timepiece features a sleek black ceramic case, offering a lightweight yet durable design. The black dial, accented with the team's signature green and red hues, exudes a sporty and modern aesthetic, while luminescent hands and indices ensure optimal readability. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, the watch boasts a 46-hour power reserve, flyback chronograph function, and date display, delivering exceptional performance on and off the track. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a bold, racing-inspired touch. Limited 2,000 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates IWC's partnership with the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team, embodying the spirit of innovation, teamwork, and excellence. Number 2. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Edition Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Ref IW 389106. The watch is a high-performance timepiece that captures the essence of speed and precision. Designed in collaboration with the iconic Formula One team, this 44.2 watch features a robust black ceramic case, combining durability with a sleek, modern look. The black dial, highlighted by the team's signature green and red accents, offers a sporty yet sophisticated aesthetic, while luminescent hands and indices ensure clarity in any condition. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, it includes a flyback chronograph, date display, and a 46-hour power reserve, delivering exceptional functionality. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a dynamic, racing-inspired touch. Limited 2,000 pieces. Number 1. IWC Pilot's Watch Performance Chronograph 41 Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One Team Ref IW 3,188,189. The watch is a striking blend of motorsport spirit and Swiss precision. This 41 timepiece features a lightweight titanium case, offering durability and comfort, while the black dial with the team's signature green and red accents exudes a sporty, dynamic vibe. Luminescent hands and indices ensure excellent readability, even in low-light conditions. Powered by the IWC manufactured 69385 caliber, the watch includes a flyback chronograph, date display, and a 46-hour power reserve, delivering exceptional performance. The black rubber strap with green stitching adds a bold, racing-inspired touch, making it perfect for both the track and everyday wear. Limited 2,000 pieces, this exclusive edition celebrates IWC's partnership with the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team, embodying speed, innovation, and teamwork.